Hello, welcome to today's school update vlog. So we are currently on our way to go see the school. It's been a few weeks since I've been in there, and we are first going to pick out some paint colors so that we can choose some swatches to like hold up and see what we're wanting to do, because the painters come in like a week and a half or something. So
and a bunch of colors, so wait. Oh,
there was like a post that had the actual swatches, right?
right. So these are kind of the palettes.
Oh yeah, I
that
love
we're
all that.
looking
Yeah.
at.
Are you talking about these, Mom? That's what I was thinking too. I don't know. They feel pretty sturdy though. Wait, how do you find the price? It's got to be somewhere.
Oh yeah, these are comfy.
Yeah. Okay, we're thinking these chairs with white legs. These are all so cute too though. All right. What else do we need? Oh, I need some bedding.
Best sheets on Amazon.
Real? Oh, you told me about that.
What?
Like a little more substantial for gas.
I mean, yeah, maybe. I just like this is more of a dining table. Like, I kind of like the width of the other one. Yeah, that one's actually really
I
nice.
mean, it's the same price as the classroom table. What if we just did
Yeah.
these for the classroom?
Yeah, we could do this too. I like that. We should bring that. We go get the green. Oh, grab the green chair. It's right there, and let's just see how it looks. Yeah, that's cute. And then we would do white legs instead of silver.
Oh, can you?
Yeah, you can do. Show her that picture. That's cute. I like that because then we got the green chair for Christina's office. The green chairs.
Because I feel like we have enough room to make this table. I feel like this is a little wider
Yeah.
than the one downstairs.
Look at that.
And it's cute. So we can order these on.
Okay guys, so we're here at the school right now, and I wanted to tell you that we have finally finalized tuition and schedule, and we have all of that info available on our website and our Instagram. I'll put those links in the description box below, so you can check that out and inquire if you're interested. And we will be starting enrollment very soon. On August 15th, you'll be able to enroll. So tuition is going to be $16,000. We have two options for payment plans at the moment. The first one is going to be in-house financing. You can put down either $1,000 or $2,000 as a down payment, and that is with some interest. You do monthly payments just to be paid off before you graduate. And then the other option is you can do a bank loan, and they will work with you on how to do that. So those are the options for now. Once we are accredited, which we're in the process of, we will have government loans and Pell Grants and financial aid and all of that. And then also our schedule is going to be Monday through Friday, 9 to 4:30 for full-time, and then part-time will be 3 days a week, 9 to 5. So you can have all of those options, figure out what's best for you, and if you have any questions, feel free to email us at this email address right here. Okay, so we're at the school now, and the wall's been built. So I don't know if you guys have seen this since it's been up, but this wall's now up, and we just have a couple more weeks until their stuff's out and we can start doing things, which is exciting. So we picked up all the paint samples, and we're trying to figure out a color for like the trim, the windows, the walls, everything. And then for accent walls, we're gonna do like some wallpapers and like fun murals and stuff. So this whole wall is gonna be a mural that has like a fun quote on it, or maybe our mission statement. We haven't decided yet. So these are the options for our ivory. Ooh, I love all those.
Okay, so I'm thinking the lighter white colors, that will be kind of our main color everywhere. And then we'll have some accent walls with more of the tans and the kind of pinker colors
yep.
for accent. So I think
Like
it's
in the
gonna be
break room?
Yeah, like
in,
we
like,
could
the
do a break
office?
room, a different color, and
That's a good idea.
the washroom could be different than in here.
Okay,
So
I'm excited. Hi Haley, hi Abby. And we are just kind of like pinning them up right now and seeing what we like. So we're pretty sure the main color is gonna be like the ivory. That'll be for the walls and the baseboards. And then we're just gonna do accents of like a tan or a pink or something like that.
so
Yeah.
I feel like
Hi Krista.
I
like the
choosing
darker
our main base color is going to be a lighter color, but I don't want to go so bright white that it looks cheap, you know?
Well, and also we have
So,
such dark
we do
floors.
have dark floors.
Yeah,
You gotta-
so that's why I'm like,
So we've got to have some warmth in
Yes.
with our whites, but I don't know if you know, like your house is this ivory lace color.
Okay.
And I feel like when you walk around
It
your
doesn't look too
house,
dark,
it,
yeah.
it doesn't look too dark, but it definitely looks like a whiter color.
Yeah.
Well,
It's
the
more
good thing
white.
is you know what these look like.
Yeah,
normally, so
I mean,
it's
so
really
I'm
gonna be up
kind
to
of
you.
having to go a little bit on my experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so I know that these are all great colors to work with, and they always turn out so good.
Yeah.
But
These are good options. I'm
like
excited.
this in my head, shoji right, shoji. How do you
Shoji?
say that?
Are you
Shoji?
excited too?
Shoji right. I can't even say
What's
it.
it called?
White.
Well, that's a hard word.
Shoji white.
Shoji white.
Like a shoji screen.
No.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah. Shoshi.
I don't know.
Anyway, this
We're
is the
idiots.
color
Yeah.
that in my head, as we've been walking through the school ever since the beginning.
Really?
Is what I was thinking for the base
Okay.
color. Just because
like
I
it.
want to go lighter than this.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm a little worried about the tans are going to be on the same level of darkness.
That's true.
As what is
we
already
use-
here.
Oh, yeah,
'cause
And
we already
as you
have
walk
tan
around
walls, like if you guys can see
in
the
different
walls are already-
places, it looks
Sorry, I'll answer some
kind of
questions.
light.
So what if we did this as the main, and then you could
Oh,
do
yeah, you
like
guys are liking the same
some
thing I did.
accent, like
Some
this
accent
future wall
colors.
using
Our
this.
salon is
some of
Yeah, and
this.
different
But
rooms,
this
like
was
the break room could be
Yeah.
one of
They're like
these.
10
And
to 15.
this is the other color I was thinking.
Yeah, we can't always repaint, that's true.
Ah,
Someone said
expensive.
your mom is stunning.
Oh, thank you. I have not washed my hair in like 10 days. I want to die.
10 days. That's
That's a record. Yes, someone said, is there a mattress?
go with all the walls and baseboards. Now we're gonna pick out the accent walls.
But on our website, we have an ordering guide that will kind of
Too purpley. Too.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think that's too
Cool
much
beige
similar
now.
to what it is now.
I like this one.
Yeah, that one's cute too.
Okay, you liked this
Mm-hmm.
one. Oh, jeez. This is probably too light
That looks
to
ivory,
really
yeah.
be,
This one's too orangey peach.
okay.
So we have 3 left. We're gonna start with a class size of 20, and then I'm not sure when we're doing another class, but we're gonna do 20 to start. And then
These look the same.
if we get
They
more
are.
people to sign
Oh,
up for it.
yeah.
Will it be easier to get hired at JC if you graduate from the academy? Yes. So part of our phase 3 of our program is you will go to JC and do
I'm gonna
like.
say this one.
I don't like
is-
the last one. It's too dark.
Yep.
The first 2.
That's what I
I
think,
think
too.
this one.
Yeah.
Because I just know what paint's gonna do.
Yeah. If
and
you
this
know
is
that looks good, then that's great.
Likeable sand.
It's
Called creamy and likable sand, guys.
Oh yeah. So you'll work.
and we tile this part.
No.
And then have our skirt.
What
Because
would?
we can't paint 'em.
Oh, wait, I thought
So we're gonna
could.
put that little thing.
Yeah, I thought we were
I
putting
just
like.
have to do a lot to them. to
Wait,
make
but
them
we
look
need
better.
we need storage for like the towels and I want it to be closed. Shoot, I don't. No, I know they are, but I thought we could change the hardware to gold. And then what are we? I thought we had that plan to do like
we do
the
have
wicker.
a plan. It's just gonna take a lot to make it work.
Well, what? Okay, so if we tore them out, what would we do instead? I don't want like floating shelves. I want them to be closed. Because towels can get messy and stuff. Okay, messy. Sorry,
Think
guys.
about this.
Super random, but would you recommend a Range Rover? I'm buying a new car for my birthday. I love my Range Rover, I do. I will say
It
the
might
Range
be
Rover
available
I
to
have,
sell.
yeah, I might be selling mine, so. The Range Rover I have is a little smaller. I think it's the Sport, so the full size I wish I would have gotten because we don't have as much trunk size as I thought we would, but that's the only downside. More questions? If you kept the mattresses, I'm sure even more people would sign up. So true, I said that. I'm like, it's so nice when we
we
come
should
here
just
because we can
keep
just
one.
lounge. So we'll keep one in the break
Could we do a
room.
Murphy bed and then like in the
Right.
admission office and then we could all
So
take
nice.
naps?
Naps during the day. Okay, so we think we chose the paint colors and we're feeling good about it. We kind of mapped out a little more of what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna come next week and like actually do some paint on the wall to see if we like it, and then the whole process is gonna begin. So super exciting. Yeah, this is kind of what we're going with, so it's gonna be really cute. All right, so it's a few days later. I'm about to take Jagger to my aunt's house to hang out for the day. You wanna go swimming? Yeah, did you get out of your car seat? always. Does anyone else's toddler do that? Okay, so we are actually going to meet with Salon Centric today. I am meeting with a rep for them to go over color options, product options for the school. So I'm really excited because you know, like I have a few brands in mind, obviously, that I want to carry at the school. So many different brands and tools and techniques and things like that. So the cool thing about the Salon Centric rep is he said they've kind of changed their program where you don't have to choose just one brand. You can do like everything they offer, which is really cool. So obviously Salon Centric has Redken. That's a huge one because of Shades EQ. So we're gonna go get the info today and meet with him and hopefully make a decision. Okay, me again. So I just finished the meeting. It went really well. I didn't vlog during it because I felt like that would be weird just to like whip out my camera. But the rep was amazing, super informative. They gave us a lot of details and they actually said that Redken wants to partner with us. So I'm really, really excited about what we have coming. It's gonna be great for our students. They're gonna be using the best products, get the best product knowledge, the best education. And I'm super excited to be partnering with brands, specifically Redken, that I just love and believe in and have used since day one. So super excited. Stay tuned for updates on that. But it's just becoming more real. It's so crazy. We start enrollment in just a couple weeks and it's just going to get the ball rolling from there. And we actually get keys to the place in like 4 days, 5 days. So exciting. We can't wait. I hope you guys have been enjoying these little update videos. I'll be doing these more and more frequently as we actually start putting the building together so you guys can see the whole process and as we start enrollment and all of that. So thank you so much for watching this video and we'll catch you next time.